flat tire, don't panic. Today, I'll show you how to change a tire safely and quickly even if you've never done it before, and trust me, this skill could save you time, money, and stress. First things first, stay safe. If you're on the side of the road, pull over to a safe spot, turn on your hazard lights, and place reflectors or flares if you have them. Never put your feet under a raised vehicle. Your car manual is your best friend. It has the exact instructions for your vehicle, including where to place the jack. Most cars have a roadside bag with everything you need. Look for a car jack, lug wrench, spare tire, tire pressure gauge, wheel chocks, and maybe even gloves and rags. If you have a motor club membership like AAA, you can call for help. If not, consider getting one, it's worth it. Now locate the correct jack point. It's usually behind the front tire or in front of the back tire. Look for a small slit in the car's frame. Carefully place the jack and start lifting. Before lifting the car too high, loosen the lug nuts with your wrench. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once the lug nuts are off, carefully pull the tire towards you and lay it flat on the ground. Before installing, check if your spare has enough air pressure. If you don't have a gauge, a simple bounce test can help. Now align the spare tire onto the wheel hub and hand tighten the lug nuts. Then, tighten them in a star pattern for even pressure. Skip one, tighten, skip one, tighten. Carefully lower the car back to the ground, then use your wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts. Pack up your tools and you're ready to roll. Drive cautiously and get your tire checked as soon as possible. And that's it! You just changed a tire. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more car tips. And let me know, have you ever changed a flat tire? Drop a comment below.